that often turned into a cluttered corner, so instead, it was removed and redesigned. One side now features a vanity table paired with a tall cabinet for storage. This area transitions smoothly into a corner desk, ideal for daily work, and includes a built-in bench with storage underneath, adding functionality without needing an extra chair. Behind the bed, a set of tall cabinets has been added. The upper sections hold books and decorative items, while the lower pull-out drawers serve as bedside tables, making bedtime essentials easy to reach. Along the wall, a full-height wardrobe reaches the ceiling. On the side, there's space for books and decorations. Inside, sections are divided based on clothing length, with slim drawers perfect for storing jewelry and bottom drawers for personal items, all neatly hidden when the doors are closed, keeping dust out. The floating bedside tables extend from the bed, offering a spacious surface. On the side, a slim cabinet has been added for storing bags, neatly concealed to avoid dust. The headboard is finished with a combination of semi-metal and wood, complemented by your favorite artwork, adding a stylish and personal touch to the bedroom.